Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, I partnered with Cacique, one of the country's top authentic Hispanic food brands. Cacique products add a special spark to my favorite dishes, including this super delicious choriqueso torta. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by cooking our chorizo. So I'm going to grab my frying pan, set it at medium heat, and allow it to heat up. Okay, and once it heats up, we're going to add our chorizo. I'm going to be using 2 packages. My recipe for this choriqueso torta features Cacique's pork chorizo. You can also find it in beef and soy. Cacique chorizos bring the spices and hearty, authentic flavors of Mexican cuisine to your favorite recipes, whether for breakfast or various meals throughout the day. Chorizo enhances a meal with great flavor. Okay, so once we have our chorizo ready, now we are ready to put our tortas together. Okay, so here I already shredded my queso Oaxaca and I sliced my queso Panela. Okay, so now we're going to grab our comal, set it at medium heat, allow it to heat up, and once it heats up, we're going to add our bread. So just make sure that you toast your bread, and you can add butter or mayo. Okay, so just allow it to toast until it's nice and toasted. Okay, so after a minute, we're going to flip it over. And just allow that side to toast as well. Okay, so once our bread is toasted, we're going to set it to the side. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing 2 slices of Panela cheese, and we're going to grill it for 1 minute on each side. Cacique Panela cheese has a mild and creamy flavor and is crumbly custard style basket cheese. It's similar to paneer and halloumi but less salty. Suggested uses include grilling or searing slices, crumbling over soup, or enjoying as a snack. Okay, to my cheese crust, I'm going to be adding some chopped onion, and chopped jalapeños. And after the minute, we're going to get a handful of queso Oaxaca, place it on top to both sides. And once it begins to melt on the edges, we're going to grab our bread, place it on top, and allow it to melt. For this recipe, I will be making a crust with my favorite Cacique Oaxaca cheese. Oaxaca cheese has a mellow, earthy flavor and similar to American string cheese or mozzarella, though more buttery with a far superior melt. Best used for shredding and melting atop traditional Mexican dishes. Oaxaca is semi-soft cheese that it is also enjoyed as a snack. Okay, so once our cheese melts, we're going to grab our bread. And now we can get ready to finish making our torta. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our torta together. So I'm going to begin by adding some beans to the bottom piece of my bread. So just spread them. And to add my queso panela. We're going to add our chorizo. We're going to add some lettuce. Tomatoes. Cacique Crema Mexicana is an everyday table cream that has a neutral, fresh-tasting flavor, similar in consistency to creme fraiche. Its pourable, rich, silky texture creates a shiny, white lace over sweet and savory dishes. Drizzle or dollop as a topping, or use it as a base for dips and spreads. And lastly, on our top piece of bread, we're going to add some smashed avocado. And now just top it. Press it down and enjoy. So let's cut into it. So good. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. These tortas bring back so much memories from my childhood. After church, you know, we will come out of church very hungry, and my mom would just, you know, pull out the chorizo, the queso, and she will make some delicious tortas. So I hope you give them a try. This is all of my favorite products in one. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know that Cacique products are a staple in my home. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. It's so simple, yet so flavorful. It's the best. And the best part is that under 15 minutes, you could get a torta. So good. And you would think that it's too much cheese, but you know me. If you know me, you know I could never have enough cheese. This is perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious choriqueso torta using my favorite Cacique products. Make sure you go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description box. They have many delicious products to offer. I hope you had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.